Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss Tami. Good morning, my dearest friends. It's great to see you all. Thank you for coming here today. My name is Nur Sabila, and my three colleges are
Silmi Maulani Rohman,
Lutfia Izan Sapandi,
and Justisia Martanggarantini.
We will present critical appraisal of the research article, and the article we found is entitled "The Effect of the Mysterious Physics Learning Model Based on Fun Learning on the Physics Learning Outcomes." So, without further ado, let's begin with the first part of our presentation. Silmi, times it's yours.
Thank you to the moderators who have given their time. Okay, on this occasion, I will explain the structure of the article that we have sought for and determined. There are many structures: title, abstract, introduction, and others. There are the article we have selected to analysis and determine their structure. On the next slide, there will be parts of the structure. The first of structure article is title. Research title: The Effect of the Mysterious Physics Learning Model Based on Fun Learning on the Physics Learning Outcomes. Translate or terjemah: pengaruh model pembelajaran fisika berbasis fun learning terhadap hasil belajar fisika. Abstract: this study aims to identify whether the mysterious physics learning model based on fun learning has an effect on the physics learning outcomes of the student. This study was a free experimental study with one group joining the pre-test post-test research site. The study was carried out at SMPN Tubarongbong in November 2021. The population was all the students of the class 9, while the sample was class 9B, which was determined by a simple random sampling technique. Data analysis used Wilcoxon Signy rank test statistic. The result showed that there was a positive and significant influence of the mysterious physics learning model based on fun learning on the physics learning outcomes on students at SMPN Tubarongbong. The result of the student questionnaire also saw interest in learning physics. They consider it as a more challenging physics learning project which made them more enthusiastic about it. The conclusion obtained is that the implementation of mysterious physics learning based on fun learning is effective in increasing student learning outcomes in physics learning. Keyword: fun learning, mysterious physics learning, model physics learning outcomes.
Thank you for the explanation, Silmi. The next will be explained by Lutfia. Lutfia, times it's yours.
Thank you for Nur Sabila. Okay, introduction. What is the topic? What influences the lack of interest in learning physics? What are the issues? 1. Scholarly learning. 2. Complex learning. 3. Sleepy learning. Introduction. The power of digital technologies has had a big impact in transforming society's PTI when the technology can be a great equation in public services. Especially welcome the era of Society 5.0, where people, objects, and systems are interconnected in a virtual space which is analyzed and then presented back to the real space to be oscillated by Hammonds, Ismail et al. 2016, Suraid et al. 2017, Setiani et al. 2020. The impact of this era is perspectives of materialism and and existentialism and are seen as critical times because society is vulnerable to division if it is not directed properly. Rahmawati et al. 2021. To respond to these challenges, the student as the next generation must be prepared carefully in order to conquer this global shift. Education holds essential aspects of human development to help them broaden their understanding of facing all challenges. 3. Literature review theoretical framework. What are the theories about? 1. Innovate our education system learning process based on 21st century interaction. 2. Learning models. This indicates that we need to innovate our education system learning focus based on 21st century interaction. There are numerous documents about 21st century skills, including critical thinking skill, creative thinking skill, communication skill, and collaboration skill, which are commonly referred to as soft skills. Zubaydah 2018. The skill can be developed in learning in education institutions. Ariana 2019. The course learning has been implemented, and what is interesting is how student learning outcomes deal with various problems they have encountered moreover in science subjects, especially physics. Physics is a science subject that studies the parts of nature, their interaction. Fatima et al. 2014, ATB 2015. Most mysteries of nature can be explained by physics theories. Studying physics requires both cognitive. 4. Method. Design approach, quantitative method, data collection, technique of collecting data. This research was conducted in a pre-experimental design with one group pretest, post-test, design data analysis. Inductive method, data reduction, data presentation, data verification. Methods. This research was conducted in a pre-experimental design with one group pre-test, post-test design. The research design used cards seen in figure 1 below, Siti Haji et al. 2021. The study was carried out at SMPN to Barombong using static electricity, which took place in November 2021. The population of the study was 49 grade students of SPN to Barombong, consisting of 350 students. This research used a simple random sampling technique that the students were selected from class 9 as simple.
Thank you for the explanation, Lutfia. Okay, now it's my turn. I will explain the result and discussion or finding and discussion. What are the results of the article? In this article, there are 3 results. First, the result of this study have shown that the mysterious basic learning model based on fun learning has an effect on the student's learning outcome. Second, this learning model presents fun learning to enhance student engagement and motivation to be actively involved in the learning process. In addition to providing fun learning activities, this learning model also has a challenging effect on the student. Next slide, I will explain the conclusion. What is the conclusion of the research? Based on the study, it can be concluded that the implementation of mysterious basic learning based on fun learning is effective in improving student learning outcomes during basic learning. This can be seen from the students' learning achievement, which is significantly different from the pre-test and post-test. Through this model, students tend to behave better by showing their desire to actively participate during the learning process. The implementation of mysterious basic learning based on fun learning can be an alternative for physics teachers in improving students' learning outcomes. So, I think that's all my session. I will give to Justicia. Justicia, times it's yours.
Thank you to Nusabila for the introduction and the place. Okay, for now, I will express our opinion about the article we read. For the topic, in our opinion, the topic of the research is great because the discussion of the mysterious learning model based on fun learning on the physical learning outcomes in accordance with the current which considers that physicalism are complicated. Even though it is not what they think and also that physics theories exist in everyday life without them realizing it. For the language, I think the language used in this article is easy to understand for us as university students. So, for the part of the research checklist, all elements starting from the abstract and others are all complete. And for last, we recommend you to read the article according to the reason I mentioned at the beginning. Thank you.
Thank you for the explanation, Justicia. I think that's all our presentation. Hopefully, it can be understood and is useful. We apologize profusely if there are any wrong words. Thank you so much for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.